Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to another video. In this video, I will be giving you a free website where you can access a 7-piece table base. Now, the link is the one that you can see here. It's syzygy-tables.info. If you copy paste that and you click enter, it will take you to a 7-piece table base. Now, here you can decide whose turn it is, and you can manually put the pieces on the board. And it will tell you the exact outcome for a position that has 7 pieces. So it's 2 kings and 5 pieces for each, in total for each side. So in this position here, it's a very fun example that has caught my attention. And in this position here, white wins in this position after 1,033 moves. So after 1,033 moves, white is going to win, and this will happen if black plays the best defense, which is rook d7 check. If they play the second best move, which is rook g7, then white will win after 253 moves. So you can see such a massive difference the two moves make. This is a position with imbalanced material. There are no pawns, and white has a queen while black has a rook and a bishop. So how can a table base help you? Well, here, for example, in the same position, if it's white to move, you can see what a difference it would make and how white can win. And they can get a winning position after 4 moves. When it says 4 moves, it means 2 from each side. So queen e4 is the first one, gives a check, and now the king goes to g5, for instance, and now queen e3 check is the move, which picks up the rook. Then the king moves, and then you take on, let's say the king goes here, and now you take on g5, and then on a7, and white is completely winning. So you can see what a difference it would make. Now I'll clear the board and I'll set up another example just so that you can see how you can use a table base to your advantage. So it's a rook endgame where black has 2 extra pawns, but they are located on the F and H files. And here you can see that it's a draw. So if you want to learn how you can hold this endgame, you can practice and you can see where you have gone wrong if you lose this eventually with white. Personally, I had this endgame once and I managed to hold it. I played accurately and my opponent did not challenge me in the best way, so I comfortably made a draw. But this can be very useful for these types of endgames, or for example, if it's a rook against a queen, no pawns, and you can see the precise way to win with a queen against the rook, or for example, a bishop and a knight checkmate, what is the most precise way to achieve that. And yeah, here, for example, many people would not even know that this is a draw. If white plays accurately, no matter what black does, this is a draw. But you might be saying, how is that possible with 2 pawns? But if it is F and H pawns and other criteria are also met in the position, and also if it's A and C pawns, of course, which is the opposite, which is the same, then it is a theoretical draw, and it's only up to white if they will play precisely or not. Of course, black can play in a good way and challenge them and give them the chance to go wrong. But if white plays precisely here, the table base gives this as a draw. Table bases can be very helpful for your chess, and they can really help you improve, just like engines do. So yes, this is a great resource for you to use, and I would highly recommend it, and it's for free because not everyone can go and afford to pay for a 7-piece table base. And so far from what I knew that only you could have a 6-piece table base for free, but recently I came across this link and I thought to share it with you. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Now, if you are a competitive chess player and you want to fund your chess progress, then you might be interested in starting a side hustle, which will enable you to earn an income online. If that's the case, go to the link in the description, insert your name and email, and watch my free introductory training where you will learn the 3 secrets my mentors use to generate a consistent income online and how you can do it too, even if you have no previous experience. If you're a subscriber, I will catch you at the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.